So I'm actually in this trade right now. I'm not at my desk, but I got in a little late. But yeah, I'm targeting those that Asia high. So we'll see what we get. We will see what we get. Okay, so here is the trade breakdown for that trade. So you know what? I'm going to back up just a little bit right here. Really? Okay, so like I said, guys, this is a new strategy that I've been testing out. So at first, I kind of had sort of a bearish bias, because I was on the 1 hour. But here's what kind of changed my mind. I went on the 4 hour and I thought, okay, we have some liquidity here that needs to get swept. And then I saw this right here. So what I thought, clearly this looks like a sweep of liquidity. Perfect reaction in terms of order block, because remember, I don't invalidate an order block or consider an order block invalidated just because price swept the liquidity beforehand. Right here, right? This would be the wick that swept this liquidity down here, and then I saw price kept going up, so I was like, okay, looks like we might be going up, maybe possibly a reversal, because if you notice this too, from here to here, just the bodies alone, price tested it, retested it, and then came back up as well. So I thought, all right, so maybe we have something going on here. So then I started dropping down to the 1 hour, and then I saw price broke some more structure here. So I thought, okay, we're breaking structure towards the upside. Like, all right. Again, these equal highs here needed to get swept. So I'm thinking, okay, one of two things is going to happen. Price is either going to go up a little bit more, sweep those highs, and then come back down, right? Sweep those highs, come back down, then we're good. Or price is going to, again, sweep those highs here, come down, but continue to go up in a change of direction. Why? Because again, on that 4 hour, all I saw was that sweep of liquidity, and I believe I also went a little bit higher than that too. I'm not sure if I went on the 12 hour. Okay, yeah, I think I went on the 12 hour here. And as you can see, the overall trend is going from here to here to here, and then what it looks like is it finally bounced back, found some kind of area of support to go back up, which it looks like to me, it it looks like all it did was fill the imbalance from here to here, right? So fill the imbalance from here to here. Let me zoom in a little bit. Right, this imbalance right here. Tapped into it and then started going back up. So I'm like, okay, I'm definitely gonna get in for the buys, right? It could go either way, but I'm gonna get in for the buys. And it was already too late as well. Like I had already like gone up late and I was doing some other stuff. So anyways, so I dropped down to the 5 minute and I saw that I still hadn't had a breakout on either side. It's the 1 hour. I'm like, okay, I'm usually waiting for a breakout on either end, but I'm seeing price consolidate in between. So I'm like, okay, I need to find a reason to get into a buy, and I did. Price swept this liquidity down here. I don't know why I'm using the red ones. I should be using the demands for this. Give me a second. I don't want to confuse you guys. Here and here. All right, so it looks like price swept some liquidity down here, this right here, tapped into this demand zone. I started going back up. Break of structure here. All right, break of structure, came back down, retested, tapped into this demand zone. I see some more bullish activity. I'm taking into account for value gaps a little bit more now. You can see price tapped into this bullish for value gap, respected it right here, right? Respected the bullish for value gap. Yeah, tapped into it, respected it. It's going back up. So I'm thinking, all right, we're getting some more bullish momentum. I'm seeing some bullish candlestick patterns. That's where I got in here. And as you can see, we let price play out. Almost took me out. I could have put my stop loss below the fair value gap, but I didn't want to. I was like, you know what? If price takes me out, it'll take me out. I'm thinking maybe my bias was wrong either way. So I'm like, who knows? So I just let price continue. I didn't move my stop loss or anything like that. I was busy doing other stuff. And I was thinking, I'm not going to put my take profit all the way to these highs because price might not even actually reach it. So I just let it keep going. Here price almost got close to this high, and I was like, I was thinking to myself, man, maybe I was wrong. I was probably wrong on my bias, but I was like, you know what, I'm already in it. It's okay. I'm testing this out anyways. So I didn't really go too heavy either on the money. So I was like, whatever. Price finally hit my take profit, and the crazy part is it still ended up going back up. So we basically could say that for now AUDUSD is bullish. And yeah, that's basically how I got into the trade. Remember guys, adaptability, having multiple strategies, being able to just trade what the market gives you, that's really the true edge that you can have as a trader. Okay, you don't need to go for these crazy risk to rewards either. This is a 1-to-61. So yeah, I didn't have to go for anything crazy. You don't have to. Okay, so yeah guys, just quick trade breakdown. See if you guys can replicate something like this, and yeah, send me your trades in the Discord if you want. Let me take a look. I'll take a look at your trades too. You know, I wouldn't mind taking a look at your entries, maybe giving you some tips. If you have any questions, just let me know. All right, peace.